Do you ever want to do some grading by hand on Google Classroom? Well, with your iPad, you can. Check out this tech tip in 2 minutes. Hey friends, I'm Shannon, Tebaldo on Tech, aka the Paperless Professor, and I'm a professor and I'm a student. I share tech tips and resources and reviews for teachers and students just like you who want to be paperless or just learn some ed tech. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a friend, thanks for returning. Let's get learning. So Google Classroom can be a great tool for collecting all your students' work in one place and using rubrics and grading, making it super simple. But what if you actually want to write on a student submission instead of just typing on the comments? Well, you can do that on your iPad. Let's take a closer look. When we click on and we see our students' work, we can open our students' work and we can see that there's a search button, a pencil, and a pop-out. In this case, I want to use the pencil. When I click on the pencil, it actually opens an editing tool for me. So in this case, I'm going to click the highlighter. I'm going to highlight this right here. And I want her to take a closer look at that. Let's go ahead. And then once again down here. So now that I'm done marking this up for the student, you can use an Apple Pencil like I'm using. You can use a Logitech crayon. You can even use your pencil or your finger, but it's actually easier out of the dock and using an Apple Pencil or the Logitech crayon. So from here, once you're done, you simply click Save. And what this does is it saves a PDF copy for your student. And when I'm done, you can see that it was added to Sally's work, and I can have her take a look. The next thing I'm going to do is give Sally an opportunity to correct her work, and so I'm going to go ahead and return this to her by clicking Return. Then she can make some changes and submit it back. Hey, I hope this tech tip in 2 minutes video was helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, the best thing you could do is give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend. You don't want to miss any of our upcoming tech tip videos. Feel free to check out the My Tech Tool Belt podcast. That's my podcast where we interview teachers who innovate, engage, and inspire using technology in their classroom. I'll put a link in the description below. Check out our other tech tip in 2 videos, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Hey, in the meantime, keep learning, friends.